485 thou. 480. So we need 95 thou off. Take it over, see if it fits.
Now we're drilling a hole in this piece of flat bar for a handle. Perfect fit. This is the movable jaw. You have to bend it around. Cut them off at the same length. And we're going to weld it together now. So this is the movable jaw that will come and clamp the tooth.
See, now it can angle to match the angle of the tooth. And then we have something for the bolt to push against. Okay, we're on our last tooth. So I got it all, the old tooth off, and then it cleaned. Get it red hot, bring it up. Start concentrating heat on the blade. And now it starts to sweat in and fill the gap. Keep your heat on and it follows the torch. Got the back side done, come to the tip. Get the tip done, that's perfect. Now I'm just going to fill this gap here. You start where you left off. And draw it to the back there, like just like that. It moved on me because this handle's getting a little hot, so I got to go around and check everything else. Everything else is good. Done. So as soon as it turns off a red, you know you can let go because she's not going anywhere, she's hard. That took about 10 or 15 minutes to retip it. But now we're good. As long as we don't hit any more nails, we're good for a couple weeks probably.
So here's the fixture we made today. We just have one arm here from a bolt and it holds the tooth in place. On this side we have a nut on the end of the bolt with a spring between two washers. That's just so we can move the arm side to side like this to get to the next tooth without unbolting it. I'll show you what we have here. There's a washer.
And this pilot bushing is about 10 thou thinner than the body of the blade, so that it doesn't interfere when you bring this in and tighten it up, so it tightens up.
On this side, see what we have here? Got this bushing made on the lathe just to go in the center, and we welded this bolt on this steel plate and then just held it on the tooth that was already on there to get the angle, and then put on the little sheet metal pieces to hold the tooth. I'm gonna put a wood handle on here so it don't get burned, but that's all there is to it really.
This is so much cheaper to run than a bandsaw, because these teeth have been on here for what, 2 or 3 weeks. They've been sharpened about 20 times, and they still had half the life left in them when they hit steel. Brett hit steel with them, and he was able to sharpen and continue for the rest of the day. So, like, the cost of running these things is so cheap. I think these teeth are $3.50 each. So, you can't get any cheaper than that for running a sawmill.